them the Smeeze, I told them the Smeeze. All of my niggas as lit as can be. Make all the bad bitches go get on their knees. I told them the Smeeze, I told them the Smeeze. Told them the Smeeze, I told them the Smeeze. All of my niggas as lit as can be.
Hey guys, welcome to Verb Tutorials. My name is Shiva and today we're going to be learning how to do Smeeze. Let's get started. So the first step is nothing but it's with your shoulder. Your right shoulders goes back and hits forward and your left shoulders goes the other side back. Yeah, we're going to try one more time. We go one hit forward and back, hit forward and hit forward. And the same thing at the other side, you go left back and hit forward, left back, hit forward, left back and hit forward. Make sure when you're dancing, like doing this move, make sure you just do this, not this. Okay, let's start with like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, back 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basic, we go with like, you go hit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and let's get next step is nothing